Okay, we went to leave and grabbed the door handle and it broke. Okay, so I went online and I ordered one. Very inexpensive, but they make them pretty cheaply. You have this metal part, but everything else is plastic. But anyway, I'm going to show you how to replace it. This happens to you. This is a GM. This is actually Cadillac made by GM. So your Chevy, your GMC, Cadillac, they break quite frequently. The driver's side had already broke. I replaced that. I decided to go ahead and do a video now that this side broke, because obviously they break pretty consistently. All right, well, let's get started. Now, you can't open the door from here, so I'm gonna have to go into the other side, climb through and open the door. Okay, well, get the door open, and now you have to open up a couple areas to get to the screws. So underneath here, pop that up, comes out. And then there's two screws here. Another one is in here. And we have another screw right there. Okay, now remove the screws with the bolts. It's a 10 millimeter. Okay, you're going to want to get this off. Just has that little clip there. Okay, this goes down into the bottom here. Okay, now you have to get this off. Now be careful. There's a clip inside here. You want to get underneath it and push down, and then it'll come right up. Okay, you want to depress that clip. Okay, it comes off. You have all the clips out. You see a little notch in here. Just get in there, pull that clip out, and that'll release this. It comes right off of the rod. Okay, hang on to this, you got to put it back. Okay, you have this off. cable here. You can either disconnect it or just go ahead and let it hang. Okay, screw back here. Okay, it's way back there. Okay, it's all the way in the back. And then the other one is all the way in there. You need a longer one to get to it. Okay. All right. Now this one is still stuck on here. We're gonna have to unscrew it. You see what breaks is this piece. This whole piece is broken. Okay? Came off of here. It's plastic. Plastic right here that holds on this metal piece. It's really a poor design. This is embedded in the plastic, and it came out of the plastic also. Everything on the handle's plastic. Okay. So now get the old one off. Get your new handle ready. Okay, and now you have to get this onto here. Okay, you just push down on it, get it in there, and now we got to screw it in from the other side. make sure your handle is flat against here, because there's little notches here that it needs to hold in. You could tighten it up and they'd be sitting out, and then you still have a problem. So make sure it's flat. Okay, tighten it up by hand. Okay, now the handle's on. It's moving the mechanism. So everything's good. Now let's put it back together. Block this up. Okay, make sure you get this over the top. See this groove? Get it over this top. And then once you have them in, the pegs in the hole, you'll hear them snap into place. Okay. Okay, got everything snapped into place. Pull this out, get it right on. Slides down on there. Click it in. Now your lock works again. Okay. Now these here, Okay. Now you put this piece in. Remember, you have a clip here, this in the bottom. This clip, watch how it goes. This little piece goes on the bottom. Then we have this one also, bottom and side clips. That's it. And now it works. And that's it. Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Give me a thumbs up. Come on, guys. You can do it. It's simple. You don't have to pay a mechanic. You can order this on Amazon. You got it the next day. And just a few minutes. You install it yourself. No big deal. All right. Building with Papa. See you on the next one.